Oh dang, this like definitely has SPF. Oh my gosh, I look like James Charles. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out some new makeup. So let's get started. So first, I want to try out some of the new Morphe eyebrow pomades. I'm debating on whether to use Java or chocolate mousse. Let's go in with this one. Okay, so going in with the eyebrow product, I have not used this, but I love their eyebrow pencils. Awesome. So going in with the Java. This is the brow cream, and I will be using the Morphe E29. I love this eyebrow brush. Hands down, one of my favorite eyebrow brushes to use. So I go in and apply some of the product and just kind of smooth it out on the brush. So I'm just going to smooth through my brows and then apply this. It's like super creamy. Okay, it's like very creamy, and then you can just go in and kind of move the product in and kind of like blend it, so which is really good. I like that. I hate it when pomades are kind of stiff and you can't work them in, where it's like not gonna happen. But yeah, so there is one of my eyebrows. This one is my favorite eyebrow. If you guys have been with me for quite some time, you guys know this one I love, I adore, I always praise her. And this one right here is a freaking cabrona that doesn't want to listen, that's always like, you know, looking ratchet as hell. She's like the freaking cousin that you sometimes kick it with, but you know, low-key's a hater. So yeah, we all have one of those cousins, right? So let's go in and see how this one is. You see where it's like really creamy, so it's like really easy to kind of like fade and blend right here, which is really nice. See, like I'm barely going like this and it's blending the product. I like that. I like that in a brow product. Ooh, I really like how the brows look. Little Jade wanted to be a part of the video. Pew, 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 pew. I was just like, I want to see the makeup too.
Oh, what the? I thought that was cheese.
Okay, so I ordered James Charles palettes from Ulta. Make sure to use that coupon for $3.50. $3.50 is $3.50, alright? So let's open it together. Look, all the bubble wrap on top, and then it's all the way on the bottom. I thought for sure you think they would put it like smack in the middle, but no. You see how big this is, mamas? You see how big this is? All right, this is pretty cool. So here is, oh, that is freaking awesome. That is so freaking cool. I'm so happy for James. That is so cool. Okay, look. So this is how it looks. Look how cool that is. And then atrás, it has James Charles, his signature. I've known James since 2016. He has come so far, and this palette, seeing the creativity and stuff, is just like, damn, that is so awesome. And he's so young, and it's just like, that is freaking cool. So freaking cool. So congrats to James. Super proud of you. That is so awesome, boo. All right, so let's open it. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. Everyone's like, damn, that is huge. Yes, it is. That sounds so perverted. Open it. That is so pretty. Look at that. It comes with the names on here, and here is the palette. So pretty. It's another thing seeing everyone play with it online, but it's another when you have it in your hand. So let me zoom in so you guys can see the colors up close. Awesome. I don't know what I'm gonna create yet, but it says to unleash your inner artist. So a ver, let's unleash the bitch. All right, so I'm gonna be using the Morphe eye primer. This one is in translucent. She did say it works best with the matte painterly paint pot. Am I saying that correct? I'm not gonna go out and get that right now because I just want to play with the palette. So I'm gonna go in with some of that Morphe primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Okay, and it feels kind of tacky. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna create. Let me see. I kind of want to use like all the colors, sort of, kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. That one is Escape. Escape. And I'm going in with the Luxie 231. Holy moly, that purple is like in your face. What's up? Okay, so I'm just focusing it right here first. I'm just laying down the color. Oh, that, okay, I'm sister shook. It looks freaking dope. So I'm gonna go in with 518 on BH Cosmetics number 5. I'm just so excited. I'm like grabbing all the colors very lightly. Okay, so we're just gonna place this above right here. I hope I freaking do these colors right. Like, I hope I blend the colors right. I'm gonna go back in with the Luxie and grab Escape and blend that in there. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the red right here, which is You're Kidding, and I'm using Luxie 121, and we're gonna add that right there along with the orange. Ooh, okay, I like the way that is mixing. Nice. Okay, so adding that in there. I'm just blending those two together. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with B right here. I wanted to play with this one. I'm using an LA Colors blending brush, and I'm just going to add it right at the end. I'm going to deepen Escape color. I'm just going to deepen it just a little bit, just right here. Alright, I'm like, I'm hoping it comes out bomb diggity. Okay, so going in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to go in with some of that, and we're going to cut the crease. And I'm going to go in with my Makeup Check T37. I'm going to go back in with B, and I'm just going to pat it on there. What if I use my finger? Then I'm gonna go in with the orange, which is 518, and apply that right there. Yeah, applying with my finger more gives it more of a boom than if I were to use a brush. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Cola. I have like so many brushes right here. I'm actually like, whoo, you know. So I'm gonna go in with that shade, and we're going to put that right there at the end. I'm gonna go in with a different, because I don't know, the Colourpop, maybe I took too long, but I don't like how it came out with it. Okay, so I am going to use Shape Tape, and I'm going to use some tape to build up the ends. Back in with Escape. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna go in with a Luxie concealer brush. I'm gonna pick up B. Okay, yeah, that one's working way good. Yeah, what the hell is up with that? So you can use the Sharp tape. So now I'm gonna go in with 518, and I'm just going to add it right there as well. Yeah, look, that's like a lot better. Ooh, okay, okay. So I'm gonna go in with that purple and just kind of like fade that in right here. First, I'm just going to pack, because you see how it packs on the color. It looks really good like that. And I'm just going to fade that in. And then go right here and clean that as well. Go back in with your kidding, and I'm gonna add that right above. Add that at the end. Going in with Makeup Shack T68. I'm gonna go in with 10% off, and I'm just going to add that just at the end, just kind of like buffing that in. Okay, so now going in with my Too Faced Glitter Glue, and then going in with Be Fearless Cosmetics, and this one is Mellow Yellow. Then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Silicone Glitter Applicator. Boom, just at the beginning though. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Why did you say I looked up in here, stupid? Oh, that is pretty.
Yeah, I like it.
That's nice. Something different, huh?
Yeah. It's bold.
Ooh. Okay, so now we're gonna go with my face. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50 Skin Shielding Primer. Oh, look it. So that's the color of the primer. I thought it was gonna be clear for some reason.
Other one, then I was like, ew. You know, but it's like, oh,
ew. Oh dang, this like definitely has SPF. Oh my gosh, I look like James Charles. Flashback Mary. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing two foundations. I'm gonna be mixing my Too Faced Born This Way, and this one is in Golden Beige, and my Huda Beauty, and this one is in Brown Sugar. I do have reviews on both of these if you guys would like to check them out, up and down below. Check them out. Okay, so the camera died and I wasn't able to get me applying it, but here it is. See, it's a really pretty match, and then here it is with no foundation. Foundation, no foundation. Foundation, no foundation. So going in with concealer using the Flower Beauty M1-2. Now we're gonna blend that out using the Morphe Beauty Sponge. So here's another new product. This is the Cookie Cream Contouring Palette. I always mispronounce it, but I will be using this one to contour. I do have a review using Cookie Cosmetics. I love them. They are super affordable and very, very good. So going in with this color right here, I'm going to contour these two right here using the e.l.f. contouring brush. I'm gonna add that here. The one I used in my other review, it had a blush. So this is the first time using this one. I'm just gonna work it up. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Luxie Jady Wady contouring brush. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and this one, mixing these two together and contouring my nose. Beautiful, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Okay, so next we're gonna try out the Physician Formula Butter Blush Bitter, and this one is in Natural Glow. So I hear a lot of people raving about Physician Formula's blushes, so let's see. Like that tanning lotion. Yeah. Going in with the Makeup Shack blush brush. I'm gonna go in. It's giving me like a pretty little shimmer and stuff, but it's not showing up really on my skin. I feel like it's a very sheer blush. It's a blush, yeah, butter blush, butter. So let me go in with something just a little bit deeper. Let's go in with the new Profusion Cosmetics Blush and Glow. And look at the packaging, look how freaking cool that looks. Let's go in with Marble. Let's go in with the highlighter. This one is Fizz. That's pretty. Dang, that's pretty. I like it when a blush makes you want to like just, a highlight, and you just want to put it all over your face.
Just like
all over your face. So going in with the LA Colors Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. This one is in Fresh. That's so pretty. Going in with the Makeup Shack T13 brush. I'm going to go in with that and pick up B. So going in with Social Blade and Daddy. I want to put them like right next to each other. Okay, I want to go in again with, what was this one again? Escape. And we're using a Makeup Shack T60 brush. And we're just going to apply that right there. Going in with Skip. We're just going to add that right there. Mom? Give it like a pop of color. So, since I'm a pendeja and I didn't use this as a highlighter on my face, I'm going to use it on my inner eye. So now we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Longwear Mattifying Weightless Waterproof Setting Powder. Heard nothing but amazing things about this. So Urban Decay was so sweet and they sent me one. It's so cool. You can see like the water droplets on here. It's so freaking cool. Like, look how cool that looks. Detail is everything. And I will be using a Cookie 618 brush. So here's a brush. Look how freaking soft that looks. Ooh. Drugstore brushes are stepping it up for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay and I'm just going to powder my face. Okay, going in with my Urban Decay setting spray. It has my name, Alexis Jayda. Man, it doesn't matter like how your hair looks, as long as your makeup's done, like it's like okay.
Yeah, it looks okay.
Right?
You read it.
Okay, so here is the finished look. I love the way it came out. I am so happy that I got to play around with it. And I'm like, yes, I did release my inner artist. I feel like I haven't done a look like this on my channel. I don't think like this, like this, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so do I think you should get the palette? I think you should. I definitely think you should. When you look at this, you can play it safe, of course, and stick like right here, you definitely can play it safe, but you want to go down here and play. You do. When I was using it, I'm like, oh, I want to use this, you know, you dip in here, dip in there, and yeah, it makes you just want to like do something different. I really like the look that came. I really want to play around with it again, so definitely let me know if I should do another look for you guys. Give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if I should, because I'm like thinking of like so yeah, and we got to play with some other new goodies as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated with my videos. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post a new video, and make sure to check out my vlog channel because we are currently doing a vlogmas. Make sure to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.